You can change the address your users use to find your course registration site and the student account. Go to the Courses section, open the desired academy or course, and click Page Settings. You will be redirected to the Website section where the site settings open under the General tab. Click Add Domain and enter your domain address in the field. The domain name can contain 2 to 63 Latin characters, including dots and the top-level domain name. You can use letters, numbers, and hyphens to separate words. The domain name cannot start or end with a hyphen or contain 2 consecutive hyphens. Next, copy the IP address provided for configuring the A record. To connect the domain, you'll need to add an A resource record in your DNS settings on your domain registrar's website. In your domain control panel, open the Zone Editor. Next to your domain, click plus A record. Enter the subdomain name or the @ sign in the name field. Then paste the IP address into the address field. Click Add an A record. After adding the record, activation may take up to 24 hours, depending on your hosting provider. Once the records are active, the icon in your site settings will turn green, and the published page will become available at the new address. You can connect up to 2 domains at once, and your site will be accessible via both links.